is EagerLED from Shenzhen, China. I'm today host Judy. Today I'm going to show with this how to turn the flat LED become the curved LED screen. Okay, let's take an order. This one for Australia customers. Okay, and for example, they purchased the model EA1000C4. This curved LED screen consists of 32 outdoor, 500 by 1000mm P3.91mm, and 2 meters height and 8 meters long. Now let's look at how to connect the LED screen into a curved LED screen. Okay, first of all, this LED screen are connected to each other through a quick lock. Yeah. However, it is worth noting that the connection that is of curved lock screen is different from the regular screen. The improved high pressure curved LED screen, this lock can be adjusted between -10 degrees and 15 degrees. This means that you can adjust the angle of each LED screen to suit the curved shape as needed. With this connection, the LED screen can be assembled according to different radians and resulting in the curved surface effect. Such a design not only provide more creative spaces, but also make the LED screen can better adapt to a variety of different installation scenarios and needed. Okay, want to know more information? Welcome to cooperative. Don't forget to subscribe me. Okay, see you next time. Bye.